Microsoft Teams channel expertise. Do you have it, or want to develop it? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. If you're using Microsoft Teams and want to make your channels more productive and organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top tips to help you get the most out of your Teams channels. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Use channel tabs to pin important SharePoint folder, apps, or websites. Instead of digging through messages, just add a tab for your project plan, dashboard, or OneNote. It keeps everything one click away. In Microsoft Teams, navigate to the desired channel and click the plus, Add a tab button at the top. You can choose any website. For this demonstration purposes, select SharePoint. Go to SharePoint site which you have the link. Like this one compliance that I want to add to be a tab in this channel, I can click copy. Find the SharePoint icon from Teams app choice, click on SharePoint icon and choose any SharePoint site, then paste the SharePoint link and save. Now you have the tab added from SharePoint link. If you dislike the name, you can rename it to compliance or any name you prefer. Tip number 2, customize your notifications. Don't miss out any channel update. Go to channel settings and choose what you want to be notified about, replies or all activity. Let's see that in action. In any channel, if you look next to the channel name, you'll see 3 dots, more options. The first option is channel notification. By default, this is set to off. If you want to stay updated on everything that happens in this channel, change it to all activity and turn on banner and feed. If you also want to be notified when someone replies in a thread, enable that option as well. This way, you won't miss anything. From this point on, anytime someone posts or replies in this channel, you'll get notified. Tip number 3, use private channels for sensitive conversations. Whether it's leadership discussions or HR topics, private channels keep things secure and focused. Creating a private channel works almost the same as creating a regular one, but you have a choice. Select the whole company first, so you can have a choice of selecting anyone that you want. Channel name, description, channel type. In a few minutes, the channel has been created. You can't add yourself since you are the owner. Let's add some more members. Type in whoever you need to add. And that's it. And if you want to make any changes, manage channel. You can see the owner. You can change the type to make say this person to be owner, then it will show up top. This will be only 3 person can see this. That's it. Try these tips and watch your team's channels become more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Teams tip in the comments below.